Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLC 300 4MATIC. This one is a lunar blue metallic. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter inline 4-cylinder turbo pushing out 241 horsepower and 273 pounds of torque, paired with a 9G automatic transmission. For wheels, we've got 18-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. A silk beige MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof. Coming around back, we've got our GLC 300 4MATIC badging, power liftgate, a set of all-season and regular floor mats, fold-down rear seats, cargo cover. And alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, a dark linden wood trim, heated seats, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, rear view backup camera, hard keys for media display, dual climate controls, our turn wheel for our infotainment center, dynamic selects for our different driving patterns. This GLC 300 has 26,781 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLC 300, check out feldmanimports.com.